Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and can you believe it? Whoosh, where did 2024, the first month, go? I don't know what happened. Finally we were just relaxing after Christmas and boom, New Year, boom, the month's almost over. What? Well, that must mean we're having fun, right? And I know I'm having fun crafting and card making and just doing it all anything paper, right? Well, I thought it would be a good idea for me to kind of show you an overview or a recap of our month, because I'm really afraid you might have missed one of our emails and you didn't know we had a release, or you missed an item, you forgot to get it. Well, get it now because you don't want to forget, right? And if you ever get our emails, make sure you open them, because you know what? You never know what you're going to find inside them, and you want to make sure you continue to get them. We started the month with the most awesome balloons, right? We had our balloon Fold It was released, and let me just tell you, it's so much fun because I added all of those extra layering dies. I added the star and the heart and the starburst. Oh, I loved it. But it also came out with this awesome confetti die. Confetti stencil. I love this. And a stencil to do numbers for the balloons, to do some fun clouds, to do the little highlights on the balloon. Now, this is a Fold It Club. This is not available to purchase on our website. The only way you could get this bunch of balloons is if you're in the Fold It Club. Go sign up ASAP. I'm telling you, you don't want to miss out. Then we came out with our Stampin' Die Hard Club set. And let me just tell you, sadly, we always need get well stamps and cards and things like that, right? Always, 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 always. And so here's a cute one using our new little bandage, get well bandage. I absolutely love it. Holding those cute little flowers. We also had one with a little stethoscope. Also, we released this sending hugs background, which is so fun. And let me just tell you, these little bandages are so adorable, especially the one that just doesn't feel good. And I always say that, huh? Hang on, I got to see if I can find one. Oh, well, here's another one with the tissue box. Oh, we came out with a tissue box Fold It. Isn't that awesome? I totally love it. Now, here is one that just doesn't feel good. He's stuck in bed. But don't worry, the doctor's bringing an ice pack. He'll be feeling better soon. Isn't that adorable? I love it. You guys, I just love those little bandages. So then we also came out with a piece of cake. Every time I look at this one, I get hungry. Now this one's also perfect for wedding cake. If you wanted to make a wedding card, look at that, look at that. You could make any kind of cake you want. Let me tell you, my favorite is tres leche. Kenny's favorite is yellow cake with chocolate frosting. Just telling you. But look how fun that is. Imagine a piece of cake for a wedding card. I love it. We also released a new crisscross, and let me just tell you, crisscross is one of the most popular searched items on our website. Isn't that funny? And look at how awesome this is. It comes with the heart, but you don't have to use the heart if you don't want to. You could put anything in there, and there's lots of other crisscross dies. Now, the fun thing about it is this one has our famous, I'm telling you, everybody loves it, the decal edge. So the decal edge just adds another layer of elegance or fun or just creativity to your card. We also released our fun icons. It's called More Icon Stamps, and look how cute it is on our postage stamp sheet. I just love how cute these little guys are. Lots of different options on there, a lot you have been waiting for. Now they're here. I hope you got on that set ASAP because that one's awesome. Then we released the weirdest, craziest, most insane, why in the world type dies, and then you saw them being used, right? The hidden hinges, ding, 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 ding. You can use them to make your cards do fun things like this. Take any die and make it put the hinge on the back, and now it can do this. Isn't that fun? I know. If you didn't look at that one, you need to go check it out, because I know it's one of those ones that people are just gonna like not even look at until they see it in person and then just go, whoa, right? Moving on. Oh, the motif background. You guys, look at how gorgeous this background is. Go ahead and blend ink on the background, die cut this, put it on top, and look at how beautiful that is. That is a card in itself, isn't it? Here's another version of it with just cardstock on the background. So pretty, and I just love those so much. Totally different looks too, right? I love to show you, our design team is all different. They all have their different They're different styles. And I love to show you, this is the same background die. Totally different, right? So many different uses for that. Then, oh, Psalm 23. Oh, this one's such an important verse. And look at how gorgeous that is on the front of a card. I absolutely love it. Then we also released our inside scallop square rounded dies. But look how fun that is. This is one of the dies that I looked for forever one night when I was doing a video live. Could not find it in my nested section of all my dies, and then realized it wasn't on our website yet. So I don't keep it over here until it's on our website. But guess what, my friends? Now it's in my stash. Yay! Because I have all my nested dies right there in the corner. We also released our Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday dies. A lot of my planner friends wanted these dies for their planners. You can use them for other items, but most of them wanted it for their planners, so now you have them. Then we released a creative decks, and look at how fun that swish is. I love this swish. It also has little pin dots up at the top, and this one, our Uncle Sam here, was created by using our leprechaun dies. Isn't that creative? Then, oh, our border dies. Let me just tell you, those border dies just knock your socks off, don't they? Yvette did a great job of showing all of them right there. So pretty. Our 4x4 card front drop-in. Look at how fun that is. So many different options to add a different border on this one. I absolutely love it. Last but almost not least, not almost last, because I have one more thing, but look at our fun tri-background slimline. Yay! Don't you just love it? I love the background slimlines. They're so much fun. You get to mix and match on those tri-backgrounds. So you could use the bottom from this one and the top from the Merry Christmas, or from the Smile, or from the Fall. You get to mix and match all of the backgrounds. They're so fun. Last but not least is the mesmerizing glitter paste from Crafter's Companion. I know a lot of you have already gotten this, and you have gotten to see the magic it creates, because you look at it from one angle and it's one color. You look at it from another angle, it's a different color. It's literally mesmerizing. That's the perfect name, because it's seriously, you look at it and go, oh, it's green. You're like, wait, no, it's blue. Wait, no, wait, what color? Oh, what? It's like that. It's awesome. Go check it out, stampsoflife.com. Club members, I know you know the deal, so I'm preaching to the choir here, but if you're not a club member, you are missing out on so many benefits, including a 15% discount, up to 20% discount off of our entire website, every single order you place, every single day, every single item. So as long as you're a club member, you're getting 15 to 20% off every day. So it's like a sale every single day you go to our website. Also, you earn club points, and if you stay in a full year on your anniversary month, you get gift certificates as a little thank you. I also like to give out freebies. Just to give you an idea, in December 2023, I gave freebies to all my clubs. And in January, I gave freebies to all my clubs. So go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. You certainly don't want to miss out. And if you're watching this on YouTube, click that subscribe, smash that button, and make sure you get all the notifications when we go live or when we have a new video. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye. thank you so much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.